We'll guide you through how to make metalestic text in Photoshop. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open your Adobe Photoshop and successfully create a new blank document canvas. Select the horizontal type tool from the left toolbar, click on the canvas, and carefully type your word. Choose a thick and bold font so that the metallic reflections have enough surface area to show properly. Go to your Layers panel on the bottom right. Right-click on your text layer and select Blending Options. A large layer style window will appear on your screen. Look at the left column and check the box for Gradient Overlay. Firmly click directly on the words Gradient Overlay to successfully open its specific settings panel perfectly on the right. Click directly on the beautifully colored gradient bar to smoothly open the gradient editor. Carefully change the color stops on the slider to easily create a stunning pattern of alternating light grays and beautiful dark grays, and then securely click OK. Now, safely go straight back to the left column and securely check the box strictly for Bevel and Emboss. Firmly click directly on the words Bevel and Emboss to easily access its specific settings. In the Structure section, carefully change the Technique drop-down menu completely from Smooth entirely to Chisel Hard. Smoothly increase the depth slider up to exactly around 200% and carefully adjust the size slider completely until the metallic edges look incredibly sharp and beautifully three-dimensional. Smoothly scroll directly down to the specific shading section safely within the Bevel and Emboss menu. Accurately find the specific gloss contour thumbnail, which safely looks exactly like a diagonal line, and click the small drop-down arrow perfectly next to it. Accurately select the beautiful ring or brilliant double ring shape, which looks exactly like an M where you curve. This specific action instantly creates a perfectly shiny and highly realistic metallic reflection. Next, securely check the contour box perfectly in the left column securely right underneath Bevel and Emboss to further sharpen the active metal edges, and firmly click OK to perfectly apply. Finally, if you personally feel the amazing metal effect does absolutely not pop out completely enough, you can easily enable Satin and beautifully drop shadow exactly in the layer style window to successfully give your completed text considerably more visual depth.